My name's Natasha and I'm going into my third year. My degree is an honors biology degree with a concentration in health science and a minor in neuroscience and mental health.
So my name's Joey. I'm from Ottawa. I'm in chemistry with a concentration in nanotechnology, and I'm going into my second year.
I'm Caprice Perno. I'm from Whitby, Ontario. I'm a biochemistry honors student at Carleton University. I just finished my first year going to second year.
My name is Ahmed Al-Khazindar and I'm a third year combined honors neuroscience and biology major. I am originally from Palestine, born in Montreal. I have lived most of my life in the UAE and I've came here for university.
My name is Michael Bukoven. I don't actually have a major at this point. I'm enrolled in integrated sciences.
In my first year, I signed up for the summer matchup program at the center. And I got assigned a mentor called Ryan, who apparently was also from the Maritimes, which was nice. He was from New Brunswick, and we first talked on the phone in the summer, and we eventually met a couple times throughout the year. And in my second year, when I became a mentor at this SSSC, we actually became friends. It was nice that right off the bat, I met someone who was also from the Maritimes and kind of was going through the same stuff I was going to be going through. So yeah, that was it was comforting.
I've never really been a math type student. As I said, my first degree was in the arts. I'm a historian by training, if you want. And so this is very counter my strengths. And so there were lots of very silly things that I just didn't know, didn't remember, never learned, that sort of thing. And coming here and being able to talk one-to-one with some of the mentors that are here, I was able to address, very, very specifically the weaknesses that I had. So I found that the most useful of all.
Mary was really, really helpful, my peer mentor. After first semester, my midterms, I wasn't doing as great as I wanted to, so I got help as soon as I possibly could, and trying to see where I went wrong, to figure out where I can improve. And just being able to talk to an upper year student was really helpful for me to get advice from someone who's done it all before.
I'm definitely more aware that science is way harder than people expect it to be. If you fail an assignment or you fail a lab, it is not the end of the world. And I feel like a lot of first years just don't know that.
All of these resources are, yes, available online, but they are kind of hard for you to reach. And even in different university centers and things that are offered by the university are not properly portrayed, especially to first-year students who would come here. They wouldn't know the university, and but once they come to the SSSC, they can easily guide them to these places.
Working on time management was something that was very helpful for me, and Mary helped me with that. She looked at my schedule, looked at my the courses that I'm taking and where I can fit something in. That was probably the most helpful. Second to that was just being able to talk to an upper year student and getting advice from them. And her looking over my reports, or if I had a concern about one of the reports that I had, she can suggest something and it would ultimately help me.
He ran me through research and grad school and medical school and all of these things that are related into that field. And also he also helped me a lot with figuring out how to write a lab report again.
I know that my first series of math and science courses were for me very, very frightening. And being able to just kind of have a place to address some of the fears or some of the areas of weakness was tremendous.
It's really nice walking into a place where you can just sit down and start talking to someone and they'll be super nice to you. It's just a welcoming atmosphere.
First semester last year, I coached 4 first-year students who signed up after the early warning initiative emails went out. And then at the end of first semester, 2 of them wanted to continue into the winter. So I felt like that long period of coaching them allowed me to really help get to the bottom of what their specific problems were academically and really help them.
It definitely improved my grades, being part of the SSSC, and just working with other people, because it's a place where people can gather and just chat or work or get advice. 2
of them said that their marks increased compared to first semester to second semester. So yeah, I feel like I hopefully made a difference in their academic lives.
Should I do weird? Should I just throw in hand movements?
And then we'll just put them in later.
Yeah, we'll just put them in, yeah. Just Photoshop someone else's hands in.